He said.
Shut up.
I'm cut that shit out.
No.
He's too handsome.
Okay.
He is too handsome, and that girl gonna be looking at him because I'm gonna tell you, when a woman is pregnant, they'll look at their own man and that they pregnant about and be so in love with him and have all these sensations and thoughts up in their head, and that's how the baby end up looking like him. And the baby don't need to come out with the damn style that sticks out on his head. You hear me, Andre?
Yeah.
Now, damn it, I ain't playing. I'm gonna come down there. I'm gonna buy some damn shit to cut your shit.
Okay.
I'm gonna tie your ass to the motherfucking table while you sleep, nigga. So pop something off in a cake or something, knock you out, and have 4 sets of handcuffs, and I'm going to cut your fucking hair permanent. But that woman can have the right dream.
All right.
He's too handsome. Ain't he handsome? I can't answer that.
Jeremy got dreads now too?
No, I don't.
Jeremy got dreads too?
No, I don't.
He got dreads.
Nah.
Yep. Don't
Well,
let
you done got some dreads.
Nah, I got a curl kit. That's what I got. I got a curl kit.
Don't let Jeremy lie to you.
What happened? You
Don't listen.
Don't let Jeremy
Don't listen to Andre. Andre's
Jeremy got
ooh,
dreads.
Andre's over here lying.
Jeremy got
He's
dreads.
lying.
You fucked up and got some dreads.
He got dreads. And he got and he got a son with dreadlocks.
You talking shit.
No,
Yes, you are.
He got a little boy named Jeremy Jr. with dreadlocks, half white, half black, half white, and half Asian.
This shit got dyed?
Huh?
Wait, what color is his dreads?
I don't know.
Oh, half white, half black.
Yeah, his kid.
Oh, what? That's scary.
No, his girlfriend is white, and he had a Jeremy Jr. is half white.
You mean that the baby already born?
Yes.
Oh, fuck. Well, how was the hair?
Jerry put some dreads in it.
I knew there was something wrong with that side of the family. We always have had problems, so some things we go overlook. Tell him if I ever meet the little boy, I'm taking him to the barber shop. Okay? The S
Oh man.
That's lying, because that man ain't got no kids. Al be out of his shoes.
What are you talking? I don't have no kids, but Jeremy got kids.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, you don't have no kids.
Andre got a little girl.
Oh, you better shut
I
your
got
face.
kids switching the
Andre got a little girl named Lyrica.
All right. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm gonna give you back to Jeremy.
No, hell no, you tell the phone.
Okay.
How the fuck Jeremy got kids?
He had sex with a girl.
That's some smart shit.
It's true.
Wait, cousin Andre.
Yeah.
Now you asking one question.
Huh.
How the fuck you wrestle too much? He be gone all the time. So how the fuck he end up having a child?
That's where he be at when he going all the time.
So he lying, so he wrestling for money, but the girl really give him the money and he having sex.
Basically.
So he a hoe.
Oh no, pick up your sex, right?
Talking with y'all, just
Yeah.
I'll put y'all.
Oh wow.
I just, just make y'all laugh. I'll get off the phone. Y'all let me know when I can see my little white kids with dreadlocks. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go to county building with him, try and get me some extra food stamps.
Oh no. Okay.
That's fucked up, ain't it?
Yes. All right.
There's nothing wrong with a mixed relationship. Okay?
Okay.
Y'all don't go that way. Ain't nothing wrong with a mixed relationship as long as you both sides of the family have understanding and love. If they don't, long as y'all love each other, that's when you need to escape from both sides if they don't have an agreement.
Oh,
So keep that up in your head too.
okay.
And together. If you know it's real, that's all you and her need to know. fuck what the other people say. You're not laying with them, you ain't sleeping with them, you don't kiss them, you don't hug them, and you ain't fucking them. So fuck them.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
Alright, Big Cuz gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna fuck with y'all probably tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, tell my people I love them.
Alright.
Love you too.
Okay. Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye. Nigga, you got kids on the way. You better call Brittany.
Nigga, I ain't got no other kids, son.
That's the second side today, son.
Oh no. Hold up, but
If
she said
Stephanie-
you too, son.
Hey,
Don't try to
scratch that.
don't try to scratch
Let me
that.
put it like this. If Stephanie McMahon is a lockable character on this game, you got kids.